So people are asking for us to look into Elrond prediction. Bill, maybe if you could pull this up, Elrond. So Elrond has been on a huge rally in the last few months, but it seems like it's now kind of coming back down to earth. I believe it's been correcting. It went to almost $200, then pulled back. Now I think it's around 150-ish or $100 or so. But I mean, Elrond, same thing with Elrond actually, because we spoke with the CEO back in 2018 during our Crypto World Tour when we went to Romania, because the teams or the founders from there. And back then they were building, and they hadn't yet done their token sale or private sale. But that's the one that got away, honestly. Looking back, we met the team, had a chance to invest, but we were just, because I think they ended up doing an IEO on Binance a year later, right? So we were, because one of our early friends who's now in Dubai, just having the time of his life with his Elrond gains, this did a 250x return to early investors. Definitely one of the better projects. Now I don't think it's gonna replace Ethereum or catch up to Ethereum anytime soon, but it has really kind of carved out its own niche in the space as a blockchain project. Bill, let me know whenever you're ready.
Okay, so Elrond, a lot of people asking about this. This kind of was a little bit like AVAX that we looked at earlier. This took off, and we use, I don't know, a little bit of a home-cooked mix for these Fibonacci extension lines. And as you can see with Elrond, the sellers were up top at 200, right at that Fibonacci extension level. Now, I don't think there's anything wrong with this coin. And, there is support around 125. And there was also support at 100. So if 125 holds, that's a decent place to get involved in Elrond. The question is, as with AVAX, has this trade played itself out, right? Like when you hear a story about somebody who was able to retire on a coin, I know it's tempting to want to get into that coin, thinking that experience may repeat. My experience, it often does not. So there's nothing wrong with Elrond. 125 is support. It may hit 125 and turn around and go to 200. But as my colleague said, sometimes it's better to buy something, hold it, and be frustrated because it's not moving than to try to buy the dip on something that's skyrocketed because you're frustrated that you missed it. So I was looking at Tornado Cash, right? I know the question was about Elrond, but I was looking at this and I was like, I said, well, look at this. It looks like everybody gave up, right? So check it out. You're on the live stream. Ian Bellina, who should have all the credibility that anybody should need when it comes to altcoins, is going to hodl on something that everyone just gave up on. So you want to find, I think, those give up trades or those things that aren't moving, so that when we have analysts like Forrest who discover something, it's like you want to know it before everyone else knows it. In Elrond, everyone already knows it's good. That doesn't mean it's not going to go up again. It's not exactly a hidden gem.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.